Dive into the world of stock photography and videography, where your passion for capturing moments can turn into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. Your photos can earn money. Imagine turning your hobby into a source of income. Ever look at a photo online and think, I could take that? Well, you can, and you can sell it too. With the right approach, you can upload your photos to stock websites and start earning. That's stock photography and videography. It's all about having a collection of high-quality images and videos ready to go. Stock means having a collection ready to go. The more diverse and high-quality your collection, the better your chances of making sales. Websites sell your photos and videos for you. They handle the marketing, transactions, and delivery. Businesses need these for websites, ads, even brochures. Your work could be featured in a variety of professional settings. You earn money every time someone downloads your work. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income. It's like getting paid over and over for the same photo. Ready to jump in? The potential is limitless. Let's get you set up. Start by organizing your best shots and creating an account on a stock photo website. Your journey to earning money with your photos begins now. Don't worry about having the most expensive camera. You can start with what you have. A smartphone is more than capable. Newer phones take amazing photos and videos. Make sure to use the highest quality settings. If you have an entry-level camera, that's fantastic. But don't stress over tons of lenses or features. Simple is best when starting out. Focus on taking clear, well-lit photos. The subject should be easy to see. We'll talk more about that next. Good composition and lighting are key to great stock photos and videos. These elements can transform an ordinary shot into something truly captivating. Composition is how you arrange things in your photo. It's about the placement of elements within the frame to create a balanced and engaging image. The rule of thirds is helpful. Imagine your picture has lines dividing it into 9 equal parts. This technique helps in creating a more dynamic and interesting composition. Place your subject along these lines or where they intersect. It makes it more interesting to look at. This simple trick can make a huge difference in the overall appeal of your photo. Good lighting makes your subject pop. It highlights the details and adds depth to your images, making them stand out. Natural light is best. Think photos outside on a cloudy day or near a window indoors. Avoid harsh shadows. Take some test shots to see how the light interacts with your subject. Experiment with different angles and lighting. Move around your subject and try various perspectives to find the most flattering angle. You'll see a big difference. By comparing your shots, you can learn what works best and improve your photography skills over time. Section 4. What sells? Popular pics and videos. Some topics are always in demand. Food is huge. Think delicious meals, fresh ingredients, people enjoying coffee. Everyone loves good food photos. Nature never goes out of style. Landscapes, flowers, animals in their natural habitat are always popular. The business world needs visuals too. People working on laptops, meetings, handshakes, these are always needed. Think about what you enjoy shooting. If you love it, it will show in your work. Section 5. Free tools. Make you look pro. You don't need expensive software to edit your work. GIMP is a fantastic free alternative to Photoshop. It lets you adjust colors, crop, and make your photos look their best. For videos, DaVinci Resolve is a professional level free software. You can edit your footage, add music, and create stunning videos. There are tons of tutorials online for both programs. You'll be a pro in no time. Section 6. Keep going. The stock success secret. Here's the big secret. Consistency and patience are key. Success in the stock photography and videography world doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication and a steady effort. You need to keep pushing forward even when it feels like you're not making progress. Upload new photos and videos regularly. This keeps your portfolio fresh and increases your visibility on stock websites. The more active you are, the more likely your work will be noticed by potential buyers. The more you have available, the more chances for people to find and buy your work. Think of it as casting a wider net. The more content you have, the better your chances of catching the interest of buyers. It takes time to build a portfolio and start earning. Don't expect immediate results. Building a substantial collection of high-quality photos and videos is a gradual process that requires patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating and uploading. Every photo and video you add to your portfolio is a step closer to success. Remember, persistence is crucial. The more you learn and improve, the better your work will be. Invest time in honing your skills, learning new techniques, and staying updated with industry trends. This will make your portfolio stand out, and that means more sales and success in the long run. As your skills improve and your portfolio grows, you'll start seeing more sales and recognition. Celebrate these milestones, no matter how small. So grab your camera, start shooting, and see your photos and videos making money for you. Embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and watch as your hard work pays off. The world of stock photography and videography is full of opportunities waiting for you.